future. We make our kids ready for future. Like, I think you'll never find any school. It's tough to find. I'll challenge you where they'll have all these activities in one place. It's an activity. We don't call it a co-curricular. We don't call it extracurricular activities. We call it co-curricular activities. We have a swimming pool. We have XQ Video Lab. We are the first one in Telangana to have XQ Video Lab tie-up in South and Telangana. Now they're in about 5 or 8 schools now, but they teach us green screen activity, how to become a content writer, how to present it on screen and all that. Likewise, we have football. School Cinema is another company from Bombay, which does a lot of. They have made more than 200 movies, out of which about 7-8 movies are national award winning movies.
एक्टिंग
And
भी सिखाते हैं.
हाँ,
एक्टिंग
acting नहीं सिखाते,
What
but
is that cinema?
School Cinema does moral science kind of a thing for us.
Okay.
Kids have to see the cinema every month, one cinema,
Okay.
and after the cinema there is a workbook given which will talk about, they have to write what they have learned out of that movie, and teachers will go through that to assess which direction child is going.
Fantastic.
That's the moral of the movie and all that. And then we have got mini zoo, which is also very unique in a school, for pre-primary kids, where it involves emotions for the kids. Like earlier, we used to have pets in our home. Before that, in verandas we used to have. Now they're all living in flats. So for that reason, we have that. We have an auditorium. We have a 3D printing and robotics lab. I think we've been doing this from 2018. Even today, schools are thinking about it. We have been doing from 2018, 3D printing and all. So overall, it's a great place to be for a child. And one best thing about our school is it's a happy school where kids love to come back again and again and again. Even if it's if they're not well at home,
Yeah.
so Shadab bhai, kids force their parents to let's go and
Let's
drop
go.
me to the school. That's how they are. And my kids study in the same school. That's the reason I am able to witness that.
Wonderful. This is something really
Right.
very amazing.
Right.
Yeah, most of the
School
teachers
principals,
doesn't do that.
kids are studying in the same
They
school.
own
We
their
have a-
school,
It hardly
but
happens.
they never-
We have a very happy atmosphere in the school, which makes our kids come back again and again. That's the reason we have a full attendance, and it is involving day to day on a activity based thing which they learn. साथ में पढ़ाई भी हो जाती है, फिर खेल कूद भी हो जाता है उनका. That's how they do.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much
Yeah,
for
thank you.
coming and joining us.
Thank you very much.
I'm a professor, Dr. Shoaib. I'm an educationist with many pedagogies. I found this school using the latest pedagogy in the world called the discourse-oriented pedagogy, which has not yet come to India. The DOP is a new kind of learning and teaching. We started this 2 years back online called New Education Initiative. While I was scanning through to see creativity, innovation, design thinking, ideation, and innovation, they have enhancing the knowledge, skills, and competency of the student rather than rote learning and memory learning. They have made the first attempt. If they just fine tune it, this school will be a leader in many aspects. And this
very
is
innovative. And
very,
as
yeah.
that we can see that all the schools will play
Absolutely.
some cartoons and all, but here they Superman, Spider-Man.
This is what, madam, they
Only
are,
school to have Spider-Man as an official.
The-
No, sorry, I would say unofficial brand ambassador.
Yeah.
this is what I am
People
saying.
call it as Spider-Man school also.
Absolutely.
Yeah, true.
Discourse oriented pedagogy. Not many professors know about it, but this is the latest in teaching and learning. And if this comes to India, the children will be highly creative and highly skilled and competent. And this is the first attempt that they are doing. As a researcher, I am saying this, and that's why I'm so happy to sit down and see what they are doing.
Even I being a motivational speaker for the almost past 6 to 7 years, ఇక్కడ ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఐ గాట్ టు నో దట్ దెర్ ఇస్ లాట్ ఇన్ స్కూల్స్. కానీ మనం చాలా మంది ఏమనుకుంటామంటే ఏదో మనం స్కూల్లో పిల్లల్ని జాయిన్ చేయించాము మన బాధ్యత తీరిపోయింది అనుకుంటారు.
అవును.
అలా కాదు. అకాడమిక్స్తో పాటు వాళ్ళకు ఎక్స్ట్రా కరికులర్ యాక్టివిటీస్, క్రియేటివిటీ ఓరియంటెడ్ థింగ్స్ ఎప్పుడైతే మనం వాళ్ళు కనెక్ట్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తామో, దట్ ఈస్ వేర్ యుల్ సీ యువర్ చైల్డ్ బ్లాసమింగ్ అండ్ ద ఫ్యూచర్ బికమ్స్ రియలీ గోల్డెన్.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇలా టాలెంట్ పాక్ స్కూల్ చూస్తున్నట్టయితే వాళ్ళు స్పైడర్ మ్యాన్ నే బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్ లా పెట్టుకున్నారు. సో అంత ఇన్నోవేటివ్, అంత క్రియేటివ్ స్కూల్స్ కూడా మనకి ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తాయి అన్నమాట ఇక్కడికి వస్తే. సో వేరే మనమే వెతుక్కోవాలంటే మన వరకు ఇది రాకపోవచ్చు. సో ఇలాంటి స్కూల్స్ ఉన్నాయని చాలా మందికి తెలియదు కూడా. సో మన చుట్టుపక్కల మన చుట్టాలో మన ఫ్రెండ్స్ చెప్పింది మాత్రమే మనం వెతుకుతూ ఉంటాం. సో కానీ ఇక్కడికి వస్తే ఈ స్కూల్ ఏదో బాగుంది అనేది తెలుసుకోవడానికి కొత్త కొత్త స్కూల్స్, ఇంకా కొన్ని ఇన్నోవేషన్స్ ఉన్న స్కూల్స్ కనిపెట్టుకోవడానికి కూడా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కూడా దొరుకుతుంది. సో ఫెంటాస్టిక్ అండి అసలు. ఓకే అండి, ఇప్పుడు మనం స్కూల్స్